Hello guys! Welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make your YouTube subscriptions public on your channel. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click on the option labeled Privacy. Here, you will see a setting that says, Keep all my subscriptions private. If this option is turned on, your subscriptions are hidden from others. To make your subscriptions public, simply toggle this option off. You'll see a notification that says, Your changes were saved. That's it. Your subscriptions are now visible to others on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.